Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the valence electrons and also about the atomicity. Okay dear student, in this video, in this lecture, in this session we are going to discuss about the radicals. Dear student, as you can see here, radicals are molecular species carrying a net charge. Okay, dear student, kept in mind, radicals are molecular species carrying a net charge. Since they carries negative charge or positive charge, or they carry charge, they are more reactive and take part in a chemical reaction. Okay dear student, also the balances are also related to the charge on atoms or group of atoms. Most of the compound of metals and non-metals contain charged species. These charged species is called an ion. And sorry. And ions may be positive and negative. If atoms or group of atoms carry a positive charge, the species is called cation, while when species, atoms or group of atoms contain negative charge, the species is called anion. Okay dear student, let us see how. Suppose we have sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, sodium is positively charged while chloride is negatively charged atom. Okay dear student, and this positively charged ion is called cation, while the negatively charged atom is called anion. Okay dear student, like this calcium sulfate, SO4, calcium sulfate. Calcium here 2 positive charge, while sulfate here -2 charge. This is cation and this is anion. Okay dear student, suppose sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. In NaOHCO3, sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium have a positive charge and HCO3 bicarbonate have a negative charge. Okay dear student, so this is cation, single atom, while is a group of atom. You can see here, this is group of atom, and so it is anion. Okay dear student, now we have many other examples like magnesium chloride, barium sulfate, silver chloride, etc. Lots of compound you can see here. In magnesium contain 2 positive charge, while chlorine contain 1 negative charge. Okay, but 2 chlorine atoms, so there are 2 charges. Okay dear student, but always chlorine contain 1 negative charge. Okay, because chlorine after accepting 1 electron it complete it octet. Okay dear student, and stabilize. So this is always cation and the negative charge ion is called anion. Okay, both are ions. That means mostly here written the compound is electrovalent compound. In this case, barium 1 again get +2 charge and sulfate -2 charge. Okay, it is called cation, it is called anion. Okay, dear student, in silver chloride Ag positive and Cl negative. Okay, so it is cation, it is anion. Okay, dear student, so I hope you understood what is ion. The charged species is called ion. Generally, most of the metallic compound and non-metallic compound contain charged species, and charged species called ions. Ions may be cations or anions. The positive bearing atoms or group of atom is called cation, while the negative charge bearing atoms or group of atoms is called anion. Okay, dear student. Now we have monoatomic or polyatomic ion. Let us see the another topic, monoatomic and polyatomic ions. Monoatomic or polyatomic ions. Monoatomic or polyatomic ions. Okay, dear student. Here mono represent one. Mono represent, the word here written mono represent one, where poly represent many. Okay, dear student. Now atomic word here also here, but ions. Okay, dear student. Now when a single atom contain charge is called monoatomic. When two or more than two atoms contain net charge called polyatomic. Okay, dear student. Overall, now see here. Suppose when we call about NaCl, in this case sodium ion and chloride ion both contain a single atom. This is the symbol of elements, sodium elements. Okay, and this is the symbol of chlorine, and represent also one atom and get a positive charge sodium, while chlorine get a negative charge. Okay, dear student. So this is a monoatomic ion. Okay, dear student, this is also monoatomic. So these are monoatomic ions. Let us see another monoatomic ions like magnesium, calcium ion. Okay, dear student, bromide ion, fluoride ion, iodide ion. Okay, dear student, another like calcium ion. Okay, zinc ion. These etc. are monoatomic ions, because only single atom contain ion. Ion may be +1 or +2 or -1 or -2 etc. Okay, let us see -2 oxygen -2, but don't focus on the charge. Charge depend upon the number of electron gain or loss by the atom. Here 2 electron gained by the single atom oxygen, so -2 charge get 1 oxygen atom, and this is monoatomic. Here magnesium atom donate 2 electron from its outermost shell and get +2 charge. So after losing 2 electron it get +2 charge, and after accepting 2 electron it get -2 charge. So but thus it represent a single elements magnesium, it represent calcium, it represent bromine, it represent oxygen. So these are monoatomic ions. Okay, dear student. Now in another word, polyatomic, one atom here. Polyatomic means many, and when two or more than two atoms, different types atom get charge is called polyatomic ion. Okay, like here hydroxy OH get -1 charge. Okay, dear student, and this minus charge in hydroxy group over all two atoms. Okay, dear student, so it is polyatomic. Why polyatomic? Because in this species oxygen and hydrogen and both contain -1 charge. This is polyatomic. Okay, dear student, like sulfate SO4 -2, sulfate, phosphate PO4 -3, phosphate polyatomic ion. Okay, dear student, these are polyatomic ions. Okay, dear student, carbonate. Okay, carbonate, sulfate, phosphate, hydroxy. Okay, dear student, all these contains polyatomic. Sulfur trioxide, when we write sulfur trioxide -2 charge, when we write about sulfate -2 charge, etc. Okay, dear student, so these are polyatomic ions. Okay, once again, what is ions? The species get charge. The charged species is called ions. Ions may be positive or negative. The positive ions species are called cations, while negative species called anion. Okay, dear student, and further the ions are classified into monoatomic and polyatomic. Monoatomic, when single atom contains charge, is called monoatomic, while two or more than two atom contains charge is called polyatomic. Here two types of elements, atoms, sulfur and oxygen. Here two types, here two types, also here two types are types. Okay, dear student, when we call about bicarbonate HCO3 minus, this is also three types of atom, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Okay, this way, and get -1 charge, overall charge -1. So these are polyatomic. Okay, dear student, polyatomic ions because all get charge and negative charge. Okay, dear student, and positive negative charge depends upon the number of number of electrons gained or lost by that particular elements. Okay, dear student. Okay, thank you. All the best.